and welcome to today's speaker card reading. Today's topic is what are people noticing about you but secretly behind your back? For that, as usual, you have three piles pile number one, pile number two, and pile number three. Guys, if you like my content, please hit the like button, subscribe, share, comment. Now, let's get started. Hello, hello, pile one. Let's see what are people secretly noticing about you but won't say. Okay, okay. Learn to say no without apologizing. Literally, I'm seeing people are noticing you being very unapologetically yourself, a badass, a go getter, someone having a lot of self confidence, very self motivated, very entrepreneurial, you know someone who has the guts to stand up for their own selves. You are coming across as somebody who knows what their worth is. That is what people are noticing. People are noticing you as a very authoritative figure, someone who is powerful, someone who has a lot of respect from their peers. That's what people are noticing. A lot of you, I'm hearing, you're moving towards abundance. You're getting that respect. People are noticing you. You could be having people are noticing a black hair and blue eye combination. There is some kind of a striking combination about your face, or the way in which you're doing your hair these days. That is probably for a lot of your new haircut, or a hair color, which is making you stand out. Your smile, your friendly nature. A lot of you guys are just achievers, plain Jane achievers. And people really notice that you are also a very, you have a very abundant mindset. You are very resourceful in business. I'm seeing a lot of you are also very creative. People notice that in you. A creative person, a dreamy, artistic person. A lot of you could be Pisces. I'm seeing also a very underdog, dark horse kind of, a lot of Pisces, Scorpio, not very supported. You didn't get a lot of support from your surroundings. So you have created your own inner world. A lot of you have blown up on social media when people are taking a note. People are asking you questions, but you are probably one of those people who have a world of their own. Very few people whom you trust. You are actually a very private person, and people notice that. A lot of you are actually blowing up on social media, some overnight success, some blog, vlog, something that you have done or you have talked about, and that is, some of you are rights activists, something that is giving you a lot of gain, a lot of traction, a lot of visibility. You are very artistic, very spiritual, romantic, considerate, soulful, poetic gestures, Disney princess and vibes. Very upbeat attitude, very appealing. These are the things that people notice. You have a, like, you are a person who is very self-made. You didn't get a lot of support from your surroundings. You are a very, like, a dark horse, a underdog, a lone wolf, and people are noticing. Like, now you're getting a lot of attention, your work is gaining a lot of traction, people are noticing you. You are probably one of those people who would quietly deliver, then go sit in the corner and read a book. Sitting in a corner, sipping on some favorite drink and reading their book. This kind of a person. You give up. You are, a lot of you are explorers. You are very classy, very elegant. Also, what people notice is you probably tend to overthink things a little. That is something I can see. you know you have been through a phase where you had no one to cheer for you. You are the one who cheered for your own self. You are the one who succeeded in your own way. Okay, a lot of you could be having a very strong Jupiter, a Jupiterian person, someone, you are popular, but you are not a very typical popular kind of a person. Actually, you could come across as a little distant, a little like an introverted person, because you're actually an introvert, because you're actually not a very, like, you're a lot of social media stars, even today I notice, they are not typical extroverts. You have probably been bullied earlier, so that has given you, that has made you emotionally a more stronger person, and that's what people are noticing. Some people probably also think on the surface that you could be a little arrogant. Black hair, blue eyes contrast, or some kind of contrast with your hair color, with your face, can be seen. Also, people notice that you're very wise, your wisdom, you are like, moment people start talking to you, they get to know you, they start to respect you a lot more. you know you are also known, people notice how minimalistic, excuse me, very minimalistic style you have. Just maybe a pair of solitaire in your ears, and that's it, you're good to go. Not a ton of makeup, and I've got no problem with that. Just like, it's just the way you are. People notice that you have, like, you're very secure in your own skin. A lot of you are very quiet doer. You are like, what your own worth is, and you are not, you do not need external validation. I'm seeing a lot of people actually think you're a little arrogant, you're a little aloof. It's not because you're arrogant, it's just because you are a little introverted. You are probably a little even conscious, and people probably take it as arrogance. Like, people probably notice a fact that you're probably, they think a little too highly of themselves, but that is not true. You know, you you are a person who has got trust issues. That is something people notice as well. You are a person who, when you are drowning, if they couldn't be around you today, when you are doing better, they should have no place, they should have nothing to do with you anymore. A lot of you could also be an Aquarius or Sagittarius also. So I'm seeing a lot of ambiverts, someone in gregarious, especially when you're around people whom you can vibe with. You are also a very curious person, flamboyant persona, but this is not for everybody. People notice that you can be a very wise person, flamboyant, and all that when you are around people whom you can vibe with, whom you like. In the presence of those people, even introverts, if you like if they get to talk to people who can make them feel more comfortable, they will talk to you a lot. You're very creative, very independent, very quietly independent and self-reliant people. You tend to romanticize life. You're very sharp, very unconventional. You live your life on your own terms. You are a person, I'm saying, you tend to get a lot of people notice you. People appreciate you for what you bring on table, but at the same time you do not look very approachable to an absolute stranger, because you have a life of your own, you have a social circle of your own. And some people think you have like trust issues, some people think that you're a little arrogant. So it's somewhere in the middle. I'm hearing most of you have had some, thanks to your past experience, we are a product of that, all of us. So there is no point saying anything about it. So I'm hearing you guys get both sides of the stick, and that's what people notice about you. All right, guys, if this sticks well, then please, please, please hit the like button, subscribe, share, comment. Yeah, today, no yesterday or tomorrow. Literally, I'm seeing you as a person who is like, you genuinely believe that today is the day when I should be doing as much work. I need to get as much as I can get. Just get it done and get over with it. If not now, then when? It always seems impossible until it's done. Literally, I'm seeing you are a person, if you do not do it now, then when will you do it? That is something I can see. Like, you are a person who is a doer. You are a worker bee. You are being seen as a workaholic. People notice how disciplined you are. You are a go getter. You are a very brave person. Very brave and very innovative, very creative, very out of the box thinker. I'll see whether it comes. 365 days, 365 ways, very innovative, very innovative. If it scares you, you do it. You need to do it. You are a person, you have achieved, you are very comfortable. People notice that, by the way. It could be true, it might not be true totally, but you are very comfortable pushing yourself out of your comfort zone in achieving things which seems a little too much. Just don't quit. Discipline. Just do it. Don't quit. I hope it's the N and QI are hazy here. I hope it's visible. The N and QI. So just do it. Don't quit. Discipline. You are a person who are literally on the verge of quitting whatever you are doing, and that has happened with you. But you guys kept on doing whatever you were doing. I just redid the camera angulation a little. So what you have done with your life is you have tried and tried till you like did it right, till you get it. That is the person you are. Keep going again and again and again. Literally, you are a person who just kept on going. That's what I'm hearing. Think outside the box. You are a completely outside of the box thinker. The best view comes after the hardest climb. Literally, you are one of those. A lot of you could be Capricorns, a lot of you could be Scorpios. I'm getting strong Scorpio vibes. You have had your first half of life has been filled with struggle. No one, nobody expected you to do anything worthwhile with your life. Nothing that you are doing, everybody thought that you would amount to nothing. That's what I'm hearing. Unleash your strength. People see you, notice you, how strong you are. You can face anything. You have that ninja technique beneath your belt today. You are being seen as a very strong and disciplined kind of a person. Also, program your success. People see you as a very calculating kind of a person, somebody who calculates their each and every step. So on the shadow side, some naysayers might call you an opportunist, but what I'm hearing, dude or lady, you, in order to get the success, nothing comes easy. If you have calculated your way, kudos to you. A lot of us couldn't do it. So you have learned that life is like a chess game, and people notice that about you. Like, I need to know. There are loads of energy vampires out there who are just messed up about their own lives. Guiding light. You are a person who is a you are a very positive light bearer. That is what I'm seeing. I leave room in my life for spontaneity. You are a person, people notice how spontaneous you are when it comes to your work. You might be an introvert otherwise, but you are a very spontaneous person in your work. I'm worthy of investing in my own self. Literally, you look at yourself, you respect yourself, you see your self worth. I'm seeing, it was you who saw your own self worth before anyone else. No one else believed in you when you believed in your own self. You know, asking for help is a sign of self respect and self awareness. I'm seeing, like, people notice how, your own sense of self love, self respect, self awareness is very high. When I focus on my reason for being, I'm infinitely brave. You are a brave person. You are an infinitely brave and reliable and dependable kind of a person. A lot of you have actually probably relocated. Like, I'm seeing, like, a lot of you have really, there is an upgradation in the lifestyle to such an extent that people are noticing that you guys have been very brave in the financial decisions that you have been making for your own self. A very I'll explain that in details in a minute. My body is beautiful in this moment, and its current size. Literally, you genuinely accept yourself. Your self acceptance is to some other level, and people respect that about you. People know that you respect yourself a lot. That's what people notice, that you value. You are not going to sell yourself short anymore. I'm saying there is an upgradation in your lifestyle. I'm sorry, there is an upgradation in your overall lifestyle. And a lot of you relocating to a different place, like getting a new place for yourself, probably your first house, first car, some kind of a milestone reaching, I'm seeing. And people are noticing a lot of envy coming your way. You becoming an like overnight sensation in your own like niche, in your own stream. You becoming an inspiration to a lot of people. you know for some people you are an object of envy, because you are living your best life. They just wonder how much money you're making, because you are making a lot of money, or you are entering an era where you are slowly but surely you're leveling up and up and up, and you are getting better and better and better at your craft, at what you do. The cozy witch, take a chance, for each morning is a new beginning. You are a person literally who is like, I am seeing you as a person who is like, you tend to live your life on your own terms. You genuinely believe in living your life on your own terms. You genuinely believe that this is my worth, and I'm not gonna let, like, a lot of you were bullied growing up, so you guys almost promised yourself that I'm not gonna let another bully ruin my or anyone else's life. You guys celebrating life, literally hitting milestones, celebrating life, becoming very very visible. A lot of you, I'm hearing, like giving interviews, even the podcasts. There you're giving interviews. A lot of you probably already are on the verge of doing that, or you're being called and invited to give interviews. That is what I'm seeing. You are being stalked. Like, a lot of you have online surveillance going on, because people around you silently are stalking you. People are being really really um envious of the success. Also, you are a ray of hope. It's your success, your metamorphosis. Like, if this person can do it, so can we. That part is also coming your way. Absolutely, you have turned, people notice how much you have turned the wheels of destiny in wheels of fortune in your favor. All right, people notice that you're a very out of the box thinker. A lot of you could also be teachers, a spiritual healer, some kind of counselor. But tradition is important, but it is not everything. Exactly. You give off the vibes of a teacher, healer, counselor. It could be anything else, but whatever like sits better with you. But you're a very out of the box thinker, and you also like to, you know, think of things and give it your own color, your own shade, your own angle, like a normal thing with your shade. Like, you are a very out of the box kind of thinker. Something, a normal thing, but you tend to give it a different twist, if that makes sense. Graceful persistence, literally, you are a very graceful person. I'm seeing people tend to look up to you. People tend to really copy you a lot. That's what I'm hearing. I All right, guys, I hope you've got some clarity over your situation. If yes, guys, please hit the like button, subscribe, share, comment. Thank you. Namaste. Hello, hello, pile 2. Let's see, what are people secretly noticing about you but won't see? Just be your own unique, beautiful self. You know what? People are noticing that you are a very unique person. Also, you have a world of your own. Some people might actually think that you're a little delusional. You're a little like, you tend to reside in your own realm of ideas. You like to reside there. A lot of you, like, people think that you are a little like, you have higher standards for yourself and from others. People also notice that you probably think of yourself as a little too smart. Maybe people perceive you some as a little arrogant. But what I'm hearing is, people also notice that you're a very smart person. pulling the wool over your eye is something that they cannot do and get away with. So you do not tolerate manipulation. I'm seeing like people also tend to give you a lot of respect. Like a lot of you probably are at a higher position, high either at a public service or your own business at a higher position, or people just look up to you. People think that you are coming from a place of privilege. Yeah, also people think of you, people notice you. Like a lot of you are being perceived as a little rebellious, a little rebel, you know. People literally think that you think very highly of your own self and hence do not interact with a lot of people. That's exactly what people think. Okay, assertive from people pleaser. So a lot of things that people notice about you is you probably used to be a people pleaser. From there you have become more assertive. I will no longer be treated as any less than I am worth. Literally, I'm seeing like people can no longer fool you. Do not take nasty behavior from others. Absolutely. You know what? People also, you know, some people think that you're a little, like you're a little lost in your life. You're a little, maybe a little, like you're suffering from anxiety or something, like you're a little depressed, down in the dumps. But what I'm hearing is you probably don't take nonsense from others, so you have a sense of very strong boundaries. And what that has done is a lot of manipulators are talking shit behind your back. You cannot be treated like a doormat. A lot of you have a past where your own people have treated you like doormats, and you are not taking this. You are like, no, I'm not taking it. You will have to mend your ways. You will have to, you are literally, you are a person who is getting a lot of attention without even trying. You are not asking for their attention. You just, you know, people notice that you tend to quietly walk away from the drama. You do not get irritated. They want you to be irritated. They want you to get angry. You do not get all that. You do not accept nonsense. You know, people have to score, people have to behave a certain way in order to be accepted in your core group, in your core, like in your friend circle, core circle. That is what I'm thinking. Like what I'm hearing is people are noticing, like a part of it, they think that you are just lost. Maybe you're anxious, maybe you're depressed, maybe you're in the down in the dumps, or you're just being too arrogant. But also you guys are actually, you know, you are sharpening your axe. That is something people are also noticing. You have become way more chilled. You have become a person very like you are a person who is no longer much bothered about what the world is thinking about them. There was a time when you used to be pretty anxious, pretty, like, you know, a little like lost, like what would they think about me, what would they say. Like seriously, you wanted everybody to like you. To today, a person who no longer cares. People would probably, if you had done a work which was worth $10, people would give you 5 or 6 and you would be very happy about it. Today you do not accept that nonsense. People would be a little nasty with you and get away with it. People are noticing. But today you no longer take that nonsense. You guys are getting better. Like a lot of people actually feel probably you have developed a little bit of attitude issues because you do not take nonsense. A lot of you are getting better and better. Your negotiation power and capabilities also go has gone up. That's what people are noticing. A lot of you are giving off a lot of, yeah, a lot of tomboyish energy. I'm getting, for sure, you're giving off a lot of tomboyish energy. You've become way more tech savvy. You have started voicing your big dreams and goals. You no longer fight for smaller stuff in life. You like you are a person who is like literally you are preparing yourself for bigger goals, bigger battles, like bigger success stories. and you are very like, you do not hide it from others. You just tell people, okay, so I used to do this kind of projects in freelancing. Like, you could be accepting any project that came your way, but today you no longer do that. You do the projects which tend to m- like make you feel worthwhile. You have a very unique thought process. People understand that you're also full of ideas. A lot of you, you used to be a little self-conscious, but today you have developed a gift of the gap. A lot of you are very good at architecture, interior, something related to drawing, designing, something like aesthetics, aesthetician, cosmetology, those things, or something related to technology. Those things are like eye for in detail, eye for detail, like Virgo, Aquarius. You're also very quirky. People are noticing how quirky you are. You could be having a very quirky sense of style, like it could be anything. Maybe you, the way in which the color of your hair, the way in which you do your nails, very entrepreneurial. And seeing you're also very misunderstood. Like, people notice only the superficial part of you. People also notice that you, in spite of facing all the judgments, you are very, very positive about your own life. You're also very dogged. You are very set in your ways. People also notice that you have become very practical. You only mean business. Like, people trying to pull you down, people trying to criticize you, people throwing their bad negative energy around you, they're not even allowed. You are, a lot of you are very asocial, very work focused, very serious. You have become way more serious. I'm seeing a lot of you were pretty like lazy, very like turdy, to a very pragmatic person who is like in a go 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 kind of a mode. A lot of you are, you have like built, you're building yourself. You have been through a lot of suffering, and even now you can make yourself go through a lot of suffering in order to build your career. You're very career focused. Another thing is, you're very career focused, very like, you don't care what others are thinking about you. You are working on your own self. I'm seeing a lot of shadow work being done. Earlier, you also, some of you have worked very hard, but you didn't get what you deserved. But today you're working like you didn't feel that you are deserving of those things that are coming your way, and hence, even after achieving those, they were going out of your hand. Today you are working on that. You have developed a more worthy mindset. That's what people are noticing. All right, guys, if this sits well with you, please hit the like button, subscribe, share, comment, because guys, your comments mean so much. Your each and every subscription means a world to me. You have become way more assertive. Your strength of character is like to some other level. You have become way more self-aware. Successful outcome to your problems. Know your strength. Like, people cannot fool you anymore. You are no longer that gullible, naive self that you once used to be. You are very much unbothered about what others are thinking about you. You no longer care. You're also very high vibrational, very spiritual. There is another compassionate side to you, very empathetic, especially you are a giver towards the have nots. You're also very ethical, very uplifting, very warm. You're very universally loved. You're loved and embraced and respected, very welcoming, also very innocent, very non-judgmental. You are a person who is very happy at what they do in their own space. What they are doing, you're very happy. You don't care what others are saying, thinking about you, and people notice that. You're also, what people are noticing is, you are a very, very ambitious person, somebody who has learned their own value, and somebody who is quietly, who is nurturing, who has been nurturing their own goals and dreams and ambitions. Find your sparkle. Literally, you are the person who like, you are the first person who said yes to yourself before the world started saying, like today I'm seeing you guys are seeing the success, but before anyone else could see those sparkles in you, you are the one who actually pulled yourself out of the funk that you found yourself in. Nurturing dreams, literally you are a person who is literally behaving your own dream catcher. Like you didn't let your dreams go down the drain. You're very ambitious. Literally, you are spending your nights, your midnight oil to achieve that success. When people thought that you are being very anxious, depressed, etc., you actually spend those hours, those you spend those midnight oils to actually achieve your goals, achieve the unachievable. Also, what I'm hearing is you have become way more strict about whom you let inside of your circle. You have learned to cut off a lot of people who are just not worth it. There is always a way. There is always a way. This is something very important. You have become very positive about your own self, about the outcome of your own life. I'm seeing you have seen a lot of negativity growing up. Work hard, dream big. This is your mantra because you are very hardworking. People notice that you are known for your work ethics, by the way. Just believe in your dreams. You're one of those people who stayed up all night in order to fructify their own dreams, in order to turn their dreams into reality. Don't die before you are dead. You're also very courageous. You are someone, people notice that you are a person who genuinely, if you say something that you would do it, you just get it done. It's grind season. Yeah, I'm seeing a lot of hard work, physical labor, staying up, doing it over and over, almost there. Yeah, very like emotionally very strong people. Almost there typically tells me that you are a person who has literally, you had to grind, you had to see that grind. You are also a very, you have a dream of your own and you're fructifying that. When people told you that this is, you are going to be a failure, you have proven everybody wrong, and that's what people are noticing. And so you no longer care about, you do not really care about the social norms. A lot of you are actually very iconoclastic. You grow through what you go through. Literally, what couldn't kill you makes you stronger. That is what is happening with you. Believe in yourself and you will be unstoppable. Literally, you are a person I'm seeing who has a lot of belief and faith in their own self, in their own abilities. 10 of Pentacles. Having it all looks different to everyone. You are a person, literally, a lot of you are probably cats or dogs people, or like a pet person, or probably you tend to you tend to connect with nature just like that. You are a person, a lot of you literally have very few people whom you would call your own. Guys, if you're attracted to the first one, you could, there are certain things which are similar, some trust issues I'm hearing here. Also you're a very you are a little off centric, very unpredictable kind of a person, and there is something very mysterious about you which people really love. Spilled tea is in the end of the world. You have struggled through a lot, and you know what, people realize that nothing can break you. Any kind of bad news, any kind of thing cannot break you. It will probably, you will be deterred a little, but you will not give up. You are very very determined. You have changed your life with your own hard work, with your own determination. That's what I'm hearing. The Emperor, being the authority of your own life comes with a lot of responsibility. Literally, I'm seeing people see you as a very responsible person, a very wise, way beyond their age. A lot of you had to start working at a very young age. You had to hold 2 3 jobs, and what that did is it developed your your work ethic. It developed your financial background, which gave you a lot of self confidence. That a lot of you are serial entrepreneurs. You have had your own sit, like your own share of failures and success, but nothing could deter you from achieving what you felt was rightly yours. When people thought you're failing, you are actually sharpening your axe. Knight of Pentacles. So slowly but surely you're going places. This is exactly what people are noticing, that this is a person who are quietly, like very much under the radar, but doing a lot of good stuff. That's what I'm hearing for you guys. Six of Wands, you are kind of a big deal, so start acting like it. Literally, I'm seeing a lot of you are getting that massive, like you guys grew up under the radar, but slowly but surely you're becoming more noticeable. And moment you become noticeable, nobody was noticing you earlier, but now when they notice you, you have grown so much. It happens, you've seen somebody when you were a tiny person, they see you after 10 years and they're shocked. Like people had seen you as a more anxious, maybe a little depressed, maybe very withdrawn kind of a kid, and now you are a very accomplished person suddenly. For them, it's sudden, but for you, you've worked for the last 1 decade or so to reach the place. That's what I'm hearing, and people are noticing. You've been through a lot of stagnation in your life. A lot of the lizard and the pitcher plant. The pitcher plant could literally be the predator to the lizard. And you've been through a lot of predators. You had to navigate your life through a lot of predators, shark infested waters. Productivity, the bee and pomegranate, you are a person who is very productive, very determined, very lenient, very focused, someone who knows what their priorities are and where their priorities lie. Preparation, you're also prepared. You're also prepared for the longer game of life. The squirrel and chestnut, you are a person who is really prepared for the bigger games of life. That's what I'm hearing. Right. You have prepared yourself staying under the radar before you came to the surface. That's what people notice. You're also fiercely independent. Very, very, like people can't really, like, you know, treat you like a pushover. People can't treat you like a puppet. You are a fiercely independent, self reliant person. Okay, innocence, but in reverse. So, what I'm hearing is you used to be a naive and gullible person, and your life has taught you to be otherwise. Okay, the last card, that's something that people notice, that this person is no longer the person who used to trust people at the drop of a hat earlier. Strength, you are also being seen as a very strong, determined, reliable, dependable person. All right, guys, I hope you've got some clarity over your situation. If yes, guys, please hit the like button, subscribe, share, comment. Thank you. Namaste. Hello, hello, pile 3. Let's see, what are people secretly noticing about you but won't say. Okay, so you are a person who is intellectually very curious. That's something people are noticing. Don't just exist, you live. You believe in living your life to the fullest. You are a person who tend to live every moment. You believe in living every second, every moment of your life, in enjoying. You are a person who is pretty detached from the outcome of the problems. You're also pretty impulsive. You are very creative, you're very curious, emotionally you're very nurturing. You are someone who is very open minded, very vivacious. These are the qualities that people are noticing in you. Very shining beauty. A lot of you could be having great skin, I'm hearing, or your presence is very, resplendent in your own glory. A lot of you can be described by that. Very restless, very creative in their endeavor, very restless, very intellectually blessed, could be having multiple interests. A lot of Sagittarius, Gemini, a lot of fire signs, Leo, Aries, a go getter, socially a little indecisive, maybe, Very dynamic, very dynamic, very, very gorgeous. A lot of you are okay. Very good skin, very good hair, very conventionally good looking, gorgeous. Yeah, model type, good looking, diva, fashionista. These are the, even if you are a if you are not a female, if you are a male, then a lot of you could be having like typical quintessential blonde hair, long blonde hair, blue eyes, that kind of a situation. Tall, you know, perfect waist to hip ratio for a female, especially, or wherever you stay, depending on the ethnicity, you are regarded as gorgeous, both as a female as well as a male. Also, with that, you are a deep thinker. A lot of you could also be a Scorpio, very mysterious, good researcher, very charming. You know, a lot of you are like beauty with brains, like good at what you do, and which is unrelated to your beauty, and people are noticing that. Very entrepreneurial, very mischievous, a lot of witty, air and fire signs mostly though. Witty, maybe a little frivolous, you know, very easy to get along. You have a very bright, positive, vivacious energy about you. You know, I'm repeatedly getting a lot of Gemini. Gemini, air signs, very funny. You are known for being witty, funny, great sense of humor, very, very talkative for a lot of you. Okay. Always remember why you started. You know, you are a go getter. If you put your mind to something, you do it. You guys have achieved things which nobody expected you to achieve. You command a lot of respect. You do not chase, you attract. And people notice that you guys have manifested the life a lot of them would actually want to have in their own life. You have very high endurance. Boring is normal. A lot of you guys is, you know, you are very repetitive in the sense you are a very fun person to be with, I'm getting. But in your personal life, you can be very repetitive, very disciplined, very driven. You're very self reliant. You're very popular. You have a very strong character. You're also very cool. It's kind to be cool. Oh, sorry. It's cool to be kind. Actually, I'm saying you're cool as well as kind. Both. You're very popular, very cool, very popular. You know, you have created your own reality. That's what people say, that this is a person who has manifested. And you know, the life that you're living today, a lot of you could be, I'm seeing some of you have had actually you earn from social media, and that is very, or you're earning from sources like a very not no driven social media, blogging, vlogging, which nobody could ever imagine 5 years back. Don't let the hard day win you. A lot of you could be Leos, like literally you do not let tougher things deter you from achieving your goals. You have the boldness. When you enter a room, you make yourself seen. I built me. Literally, you are very self made. That's what people notice about you. Just do it. You're getting distracted again. Focus. You're very focused. You're very driven. You know, a lot of you could be having uh, Jeshta Nakshatra, very radar like focus, a lot of Scorpio energy. Jeshta Nakshatra can be seen for a lot of you, I'm hearing. The real risk is doing nothing. I'm seeing you are being seen as a risk taker. People notice that this is a person who is a risk taker, who is comfortable with the uncomfortable. You put yourself in an uncomfortable situation which other can't think of in order to achieve this, in order to achieve your targets. You get what is rightfully yours, and if you feel something is rightfully yours, you are not afraid to ask for it. You are very unabashed about a lot of things. Maybe some people, you know, might dislike it a little. Keep pushing. You have a lot of perseverance. A lot of you have climbed the social ladder or are climbing the social ladder, like you are born here socially and you're end your life here, like a huge gap between the two, I'm hearing. Don't be slave to your smartphone. Yeah, you are a person who is very disciplined. No addiction is good enough to like steer you away from your goals. Your goals are very important. Everything happens for a reason. Also, I'm seeing a lot of divine guidance. People notice that you are also very divinely guided and protected. Life can't beat you down. People notice that about you. You know, you have a lot of queen energy, confident, strong, capable, and tough. That toughness, that mental toughness, not gonna give up no matter what, that comes out very strongly in you. All right, guys, if you like my content, please hit the like button, subscribe, share, comment. Guys, you each and every like, share, subscribe, they just mean the world to me. Trust me, it just means so much. No excuse, just get it done. You are a doer. You know what? You do not panic. You are very calm and very tranquil, even in like this, in situations where people would probably be a little jittery. You do not take any hasty decisions. Life cannot beat you down. You can handle everything like a boss. You can think in a very calm manner, assess the situation, and navigate calmly. You know what? No matter how difficult the challenge is, you can quietly do the needful and take yourself out of it. Like, you're a very smart person, very calculating person, and people notice that about you. Mistakes are proof that you are trying. Like, I'm seeing you guys have made umpteen number of mistakes, and you're not ashamed to talk about them. You are a very, like, you are a visionary. You have a lot of big visions about this. Yes, big visions. Get big shit done, literally. Rule number one, never be rule number two. This is your mindset. This is what people notice. Like, this is a person who doesn't give up on life, on things easily. The Cayman and Poppy dreams. You are a dreamer. You have got big dreams. You are known. Like, you are a person who saw your dreams as a child with your eyes wide open, and you have been walking towards that. You are not afraid to start anything new and fresh. You are a person who can mend the environment to work in your favor, because you are a very good planner. You plan things in advance. People also notice that, you know what, you have gotten lucky in life as well. The duck and the chrysanthemum luck, you are also very lucky. You tend to stand out. You are being seen as a self-made person, somebody who has created their own luck, somebody who has created their own path, somebody who has created their own life story. You're also very strategist. You have a vision. You are a visionary. You know how to move ahead in life. You're also very, very humble. I'm seeing like people notice that in spite of achieving so much, you're very grounded, extremely humble. Humility is your second nature. Seven of Pentacles, yeah. You live your life with a lot of attitude of gratitude. Literally, you're grateful. See, this guy is grateful for all the stability because you earned it yourself, and people notice that this is a very self-made person. Somebody, you tend to count your blessings every single day because you know how hard you have to get up at 3 4 in the morning in order to start your day, and could barely get to sleep. You have been that person, somebody who strategized and planned their success. You just didn't pray and visualize. You have worked very hard. The judgment, you know what, you live your life on your own terms. You get a lot of criticism, I'm hearing, because you don't care. You are at a position in life, at a stage in life where you no longer care what others would think, say, or do. You just do your stuff and get on with life. And I'm seeing people being a little judgmental, throwing judgment at you, but you know, you don't care. I'm getting that repeatedly. You are an explorer. You know, you, a lot of you, I'm seeing people just wander. You guys are moving a lot. You're exploring a lot. You are, a lot of short distance and long distance travels happening. Like, you tend to change things up very frequently. There's an up leveling in your lifestyle, and people are just wondering where this money is coming from, what is this person doing with their lives. Those are the things, like people being very envious, very curious. People also notice that you are making a lot of bold decisions, taking a lot of bold steps in life, bold, bigger, better steps in life. Very strategizing though. You, why aren't you resting? Four of Swords. Literally, I'm seeing you guys. People notice some well wishes. Like, people are noticing that your targets are to reach the top of the mountain. You have to reach that. So you barely take any rest. You barely take a nap. So you know, I'm seeing a lot of well-meaning people around you who probably tell you that you should rest more, you should rest more often, you should take more rest, you should rejuvenate your life. A lot of you could be into some physically laborious work, or could be into athlete and stuff and athletic stuff along with your day job, and you tend to take on a lot, you tend to execute a lot. You're also, what I'm hearing, you are a great orator, very good oratory skills, very good communicator. You know exactly what is the thing that has to be said, and you say it. You're also very sensuous. I'm hearing people noticing you've had a glow up, some change in hair color to your body type. There is an increase in attractiveness quotient, increase in physical appeasing appearance. Like, there is a glow up that has happened. People noticing you, taking note of you, you entering the room, and naturally you are getting a lot of attention. Suddenly you have come a long way. People notice that you guys have learned, you guys are romanticizing life in general. Romanticize the present moment every chance you get. Literally, you guys are romanticizing life. You guys are romanticizing every moment that you get. The world card, you guys have really up leveled. You guys have transformed your life. You guys, like, the tables have turned in your favor. You have really transformed. There is a total complete transformation that has happened in you. Yeah, absolutely. Replace your self doubt with self confidence. People are noticing this change in aura, change in vibe. There is a glow up, I'm hearing. There was a time when you probably would even dress, don't get me wrong, but in a shabby manner. But today, you have up leveled every aspect of your life. A serious glow up has happened. Like, you entering the room, and people, it's like, who the heck is this person? People are noticing you. People are, a lot of people are actually those whom you thought would be like out of your league. They are the ones who are complimenting you or are trying to, like, come to you. Patience, you're a very patient person, very patient, perseverant. These are patience, perseverance, these are the things I can see. Very inspiring. You have become an inspiration, guys. If you're attracted to the first pile, you could go and check. You have become an inspiration or a point of envy. Some people are envious of the success that you have. Some people are really inspired by the things that you have achieved. You are a person, I'm seeing you getting so much better with your finances, your financial success. A big time financial success has happened. You are you have become very desirable, very, very desirable. I can see a lot of you, something has changed regarding your mouth, your lips, the way you speak, that makes you look even more attractive. Maybe the color of lipsticks and lip tints that you're using, lip tints, sorry, that you're using, that has something to do with it. Something regarding all of that has changed the way you are being perceived. by the world in general. Alright, guys, I hope you've got some clarity over your situation. If yes, guys, please hit the like button, subscribe, share, comment. Thank you. Namaste.